frustrated trying to launch your own clothing brand? Spending hours on designs, but no idea where to start with production? Struggling with marketing, websites, or just feeling completely stuck? You're not alone. The truth is, building a successful clothing brand can feel overwhelming. Budget problems, endless technical issues, no clear roadmap. But what if I told you you're just one step away from breaking through all that? This video, I'll walk you through how to overcome those challenges and start earning $10,000 a month right from your living room. Plus, I'll share insider tips and tools to maximize your brand's success throughout the video, so be prepared. First things first, market research is key. Most startups overlook this, but understanding your audience and the trends in the fashion world will give you an edge. So take a closer look at the people around you to dive into fashion industry's trends, analyze what your competitors are doing, and dig into successful case studies in your niche. Trust me, this groundwork will save you a ton of time and money, and it will give you the confidence to craft a killer marketing strategy. Once you've locked in your niche, it's time to choose your products. Whether it's vintage wear, baby clothes, plus-size fashion, or eco-friendly items, your product lineup is the heart of your brand. These products tell your story and keep customers coming back, so make sure they reflect the essence of your brand. Now, let's talk branding. This is where the magic happens. First, your brand needs a name that not only sticks, but also captures the essence of your store. Before locking it in, check if the domain is available using GoDaddy or similar tools. A strong visual identity is crucial too. Your logo, colors, and fonts should all work together to create a cohesive brand image that's instantly recognizable. Especially your logo is the face of your brand, so it's important to get it right. And you can try Logom.ai for a logo design. It uses AI to generate professional logo designs tailored to your brand's name and style. You can also easily customize the colors, fonts, and icons to match your brand's identity. Now, let's talk about bringing your designs to life. Finding the right manufacturer is a big deal. It's not just about getting the best price. You need to think about material quality, the reputation of the manufacturer, the brands they work with, and the quality of their customer service. And if you're not ready for full production, consider dropshipping. It's a low-risk way to start, allowing you to start with little upfront investment. Tools like AutoDS, Sell the Trend, Spocket, and Dropship.io make it easy to find trending products and reliable suppliers. They handle everything from product sourcing to order fulfillment, so you can focus on building your brand. Print-on-demand services like Printify or Printful are also great options if you don't want to manage inventory or shipping. All right, we've covered the creative side. Now let's get down to business. A solid business plan is like a GPS for your brand's journey. It outlines where you're headed and how you're going to get there. Make sure your plan includes your business structure, unique selling points, production strategy, and budgets for inventory and marketing. A well-thought-out plan will keep you focused and on track as your business grows. Now that your brand has a strong foundation, it's time to put it out there. Your online presence is your storefront, and choosing the right platform to build your website is key. If you're overwhelmed by options, don't worry. We've narrowed it down for you. Platforms like Shopify, Wix, and BigCommerce are great for all skill levels. But if you want the ultimate e-commerce experience with all the tools you need in one place, Shopify is the way to go. It's designed specifically for online stores, so you get everything you need in one place. Inventory management, payment processing, and even marketing tools like email campaigns and SEO optimization. Wix with its drag-and-drop builder is perfect if you're looking for flexibility in design, while BigCommerce is great for fast-growing brands with more advanced features for SEO, analytics, and multi-channel selling. Before you start building, grab your domain name. This is your brand's online address, and it needs to be memorable. And don't forget, you can snag a custom domain from platforms like GoDaddy to really make your brand stand out online. Then, choose a template that aligns with your brand's tone and style, and personalize it to create a unique storefront that your target audience will love. If you're using Shopify, you'll have access to a wide range of customizable themes designed specifically for e-commerce, so you can easily tweak everything from fonts to colors and layout to fit your brand's identity. For even more functionality, check out Debutify, known for its high-converting design and built-in sales features. It's perfect if you want a professional-looking store that's optimized for sales without the hassle of custom coding. And don't forget to set up your payment processor so you can start accepting payments right away. You'll want a gateway that's smooth, reliable, and gets you paid on time. Pick an inventory management software to keep track of products across different sales channels. This helps you stay organized and scale smoothly. Shipping might not sound glamorous, but it's a crucial part of your customer's experience. Set clear shipping policies, decide if you'll offer free shipping, and consider both domestic and international options. If you're drop shipping, your supplier handles fulfillment, but it's still important to communicate delivery times and costs clearly to your customers. With your store set up, it's time to fill it with products. Tools like AutoDS can help you import products quickly and efficiently, saving you time and energy. But it doesn't stop there. You need to optimize your website for search engines to improve your visibility and attract more customers. Focus on SEO best practices like keyword optimization, meta tags, and making sure your site is mobile friendly. Before you hit that launch button, take a moment to review everything. Test your website thoroughly to ensure a seamless shopping experience for your customers. This is your last chance to catch any glitches before going live. Congrats! Your store is live. Now let's get some traffic. Social media is your best friend here. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are perfect for promoting your brand and driving traffic to your site. Organic content, influencer partnerships, and paid ads are all great ways to build buzz. If you want to take things to the next level, TikTok for Business offers excellent ad tools to help you reach your ideal customers based on TikTok's algorithm. And don't forget about email marketing. Start building your email list before you launch and tease your upcoming collections to build anticipation. Use automated campaigns like cart abandonment emails and newsletters to keep your audience engaged. You can also supercharge your marketing with PPC ads on platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. If managing ads sounds overwhelming, there are PPC management tools to automate the process and make your life easier. And here's a pro tip. Collaborate with complementary brands for co-promotions or limited edition collections. It's a great way to reach new audiences and build your brand's credibility. Guest posting on blogs or fashion publications is another powerful way to get your brand noticed. The more places people see your brand, the more trust you'll build with potential customers. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to starting a clothing brand from scratch.
Click the link in the description to get a 3-day free trial and your first month for just $1 using Shopify. And before you go, I want to let you know that I will share a free resource for everyone who actually wants to start a Shopify store and succeed with it. Simply subscribe to my channel and comment your email below. In this ebook, I gathered all tutorials for beginners and made them easy to understand and follow as much as possible.